Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. My name is Sanya and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro fast. So in today's video we will discuss about how to install Windows 10 on a Mac using VirtualBox. So for that you need two things, one VirtualBox and second the ISO file of Windows 10. Now for that you can either buy Windows 10 operating system from the official website, or if you just want to review it or want to use it in a VirtualBox for experiment, then you can use Windows 10 on a trial basis for 90 days. So simply, you can download ISO file and can use it for around 3 months for free. And during that time period, you can do experiments and decide whether you want to work with the Windows 10 or not. So if you have not installed VirtualBox yet, the method is pretty simple. Simply search for Oracle VirtualBox and from its official site, download it according to your system requirement. Now coming towards the ISO file, then open any of your favorite browser and search for Windows Enterprise Trial. Now here you can see the official link microsoft.com. Click on this official link. Now here you can see Windows 10 Enterprise. Select your experience and select ISO Enterprise. Now here you need to fill this form. Now here you need to select the size of the company and the job title, your work email address, your work phone number, and here you need to select the country or the region. Now continue. Now here you need to select the platform, either 32-bit or a 64-bit system. Well, I'll download it for 64-bit, and here you need to select your language. Now you need to click on the download button in order to download the ISO file. As I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I'm not gonna download it again. Now in order to use this ISO file or install Mac on VirtualBox, open VirtualBox. Now here you need to create a new machine in order to install Windows 10 on Mac. So click on New, and here you need to write the name of the operating system. Now here you can see the path of this operating system, and here you can see the type and the version when they are perfectly fine. So continue. Now here you need to select the amount of memory in megabytes to be allocated to the given virtual machine. So adjust it. Continue. Now here you can add a virtual hard disk to the machine. You can either choose a new hard disk file or select the one from the list. Well, I will select the default option, create a virtual hard disk now, and create. Now here you need to choose the type of the file that you would like to use for the new virtual hard disk. Go with VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and then continue. And here you can choose whether the new virtual hard disk file should grow as it is used, like dynamically allocated, or it should be created as its maximum size, like fixed size. So always go with dynamically allocated. Now here you need to select the size of the virtual hard disk in gigabytes. Select the size and then create. Now here you can see our machine has been created successfully. Now start this machine. Now here you need to choose the ISO file, click on the folder icon, and here you can see no file attached here. So go to add and then select the file and then open it and then choose it and then start. Now here you need to select the language to install. Well, the default language is perfectly fine, so click on next, and here click on install now. Here you can see setup is starting. Now here you can see the applicable notices and license terms. So click on I accept the license terms after reading the terms, and then click on next. Now here you have two options. Which type of installation do you want? So I'll go with the custom install Windows only. And here, where do you want to install Windows? So if you want to create another drive or free space, then click on new and then apply. OK. And here you can see you have two partitions, and now click on next. Now here you can see the Windows are installing. Well, it will take some time. Now here let's start with region. You need to select the region and then click yes. The keyboard layout is right or not. If you want to select any another keyboard layout, you can add that. You need to click on yes button, and if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can add, else skip it. Now here you need to sign in with Microsoft Work or School account. Now here you need to write the name and then next, and here you need to create a memorable password. Next, confirm your password. Next, now here you need to create security questions for this account. You can choose 3 questions. Now you have to wait for a moment. Now here you need to choose privacy settings for your device. Well, Microsoft puts you in control of your privacy. Here you can choose your settings, then select accept to save them. Now here, let Cortana help you get things done. To do this, Cortana needs access to some of your personal information. Accept. Now here you can see we have successfully installed Windows 10 on Mac using VirtualBox. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, reach out to us in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.